Hello my dear children of class 1. So we will do revision now. Okay. Let's revise verbs in past tense form. Right children? So what is verb? Verb is what you do. You're doing words, right? And tense talks about the time. What time the action has taken place. Present time, right now, or in the past. Right children? So with the help of example, we'll just recapitulate what we have done in our earlier classes on this chapter, right? Now look at the sentence. The boy was playing in the park. The boys were playing in the park. So the word was is used as past tense for one person, that is boy. But if you see the next sentence, the boys were playing in the park. So were is used in past sentence in past tense form for many persons, right? So let us take another example. They were at the zoo yesterday. He was happy today. We were at the fun fair. So you see, first sentence, they were. So they is in plural form. So here we have used past tense were. He is a singular. So we have used he and then past tense is was. We here again is a plural. So we have used were. Right? So children, now you understood. You have recalled when we use was and were. Fine children? So to change a verb in a past tense form, we usually add ed. Like how play, played, start, started. But there are some verbs where the middle vowel is changed to make it into a past tense form. Like what? Get. Past tense is got. Present tense is sit. And past tense is sat. Right? And in some cases, the word changes in the past tense form. Like meet, met, see, saw, speak, spoke. Right children? So now we will do one written exercise from your English grammar book, page 53 and page 54. Right? Okay. Page 53. So page 53. Number 3. Fill in the blanks using was or were. It dash very cold yesterday. So this is what? Singular. So we will use was. It was. Okay. Very cold yesterday. The boys dash hungry. Many. The boys were. Fine. C. Binu dash my neighbor earlier. One person, right? Binu was my neighbor earlier. D. The girls dashed outside when it began to rain. So, many. Okay. What we will write? The girls were outside when it began to rain. E. The old man dash happy to see his son. One person. So, the old man was happy to see his son. So, next page, page 54. Number 4. See the picture and complete the story using the past tense of the verbs given in brackets. So here when you see, look at the picture and on that basis sentences are given and we have to fill in the blanks with past tense verb. Okay. A. Rani and her friends dash up a tree. And the word given in the bracket is climb. So past tense of climb. So past tense of climb is climbed. Rani and her friends climbed up a tree. Let's read the next one. B. Rani dash down, and the word is fall. So what is the past tense of fall? Inside the vowel changes, right? Rani fell down. C. She dashed her leg, and the word is hurt. So what is the past tense of hurt? So she hurt her leg. The past tense of hurt is hurt. Okay. D. Her friends dash Rani home, and the word is take. So what is the past tense of take? Her friends took Rani home. Number E. Granny dash at home, and the word is be. So here be means here we have to use was or were. Okay, and one person. So past tense, what we will use? Granny was at home, right? Okay, next F. She dash, the word is clean. Okay, she dash the cut and dash medicine on it. So the words are clean and put. Past tense will be what? Let us see. She cleaned the cut and put medicine on it. G. She dash Rani, and the word is hug. Past tense of hug. She hugged Rani. Okay. H. Then Granny dashed cookies to the children, and the word is give. Past tense of give. Then Granny gave cookies to the children. I. The children dashed to Rani's room to play, and the word is go. So past tense of go. The children went to Rani's room to play. Fine, children. So we have completed the revision work on verbs past tense. We'll meet again in the next video. Bye, children.